如果没有新疆，中国的天花板就只能是宋朝那样的富国，而无法成为汉唐那样的强国。
Yes, East Turkestan is higher, geographically has a higher height than China. That's why they call East Turkestan is the ceiling of China. They said without Xinjiang again, this ceiling can be only a rich country like during Song Dynasty. Okay, during Song Dynasty, of course, because during the Song Dynasty, they're a small country, and we are a rich country. We are big and rich country. So they said, we are only become rich country. What's wrong being a rich country? It means because of you, we are poor then. Is that what you mean? Because you invaded our land, then we become poor country. That's a fact. That's what they're saying. They're saying if they don't invade or they lost my land, the ceiling of the China, which is East Turkestan, will become a rich country like during the Song Dynasty. Yeah, that's right. But it cannot be a powerful country like Han Dynasty or Tang Dynasty. First of all, Han Dynasty never involved my land, okay? There are some ambassador came to my land from China, from Han Dynasty, to our land, but they never took over, okay? That territory never was belonged to Han Dynasty. And they're saying Tang Dynasty. What a shame. Tang Dynasty was in current China, that land on that geographic location. But that was never Han Chinese Empire. Okay? The Tang Dynasty, the founder is Hunnic people, or you can say, and their army, their scholar, their governor, all is from Hunnic people. None of them was Han Chinese, so that is not your Han Chinese Empire. That is a fact. Please don't lie to the world. Please don't change the history. Yes, you had Sui Dynasty, you had Han Dynasty, but the Tang Dynasty, the Yuan Dynasty, the Qing Dynasty, even Ming Dynasty not belong to Han Chinese. This is a history. I'm talking the history. I'm talking the fact. But I'm not talking Chinese version of history, okay?
如果没有新疆，大唐盛世的边塞诗就不复存在。
So they also saying, he said, without Xinjiang, okay, without that land, the frontier literature or poems of the Tang Dynasty would never exist. Your Tang Dynasty already never exists, okay? That Hunnic Tang Dynasty in current China never exists, of course. So everything Tang Dynasty had, of course not exist. That's a Hunnic country. Now you are Chinese, of course you're not gonna have that. I don't understand their logic, okay?